Hello everybody, it's me, your Foy Jafet, or as you know me, El Jibarito Explorador. Here we are in the city of Aguas, Buenas, Puerto Rico. As you can see, this is the bridge. There's my car right there. It has the colors of Aguas Buenas, the main flag. So, as you can see, let me just show you a little bit around this bridge. I know actually this is a wild experience, but I'm just gonna show you anyway. As you can see, yeah, there's like a creek here, so Represa de San Juan. As you can see the bridge. This is my area walking. Woo, there's spiders over there. I'm really scared of the spiders, so I'm gonna try to keep away from them. Woo! Yep. That's what you can normally see. And if you see the cars passing by, and here's the creek. Yeah. I mean, it's pretty amazing. It's awesome. Just trying to pass by here. But believe me, I mean, I never thought I was gonna come and see this site, but it's really awesome to walk this area. So we're going up the stairs again. And here we are. Yeah, there's a passage to walk that way, but it's the area of the mountains. Cars passing by. And here we go again to watch actually the waterfall. Nice and pretty. Can't believe Puerto Rico is just really awesome. Look at this area. Look at this. From Aguas Buenas, Puerto Rico. Well, that's about time. Well, I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you enjoyed. So when you get the chance, visit Aguas Buenas, Puerto Rico. Remember, this bridge has to pass by from Santa Olaya through Aguas Buenas. Alright, so take care, God bless you, and keep exploring Puerto Rico.